This video walkthrough is of Bayside Bridge condo number 403. So we walk into the door and immediately to our left is the laundry room with our furnace and hot water heater. Some nice cabinets up above for storage. We have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in this condo. Immediately to our right is bedroom number 1. Bunk beds, TV. This condo is being sold fully furnished. And 3 out of the 4 bedrooms are conforming, meaning they have 3 out of the 4 bedrooms have windows, which is very nice. So guest bathroom in the hallway is a full bathroom, tub and shower. And then right here is guest bedroom number 2. Beautiful kitchen. Nice big island here. This is a pantry. It's currently locked right now, but a little bit of a walk-in pantry there. Our dining room, sizable table here. Walk over to the 3rd guest bedroom. We have 2 full beds in here. This bedroom does have a peekaboo lake view. TV in here as well. We'll head over to the primary. The king bed in here, and we do have a private entrance and exit off of the deck from the primary bedroom. And this has a 3/4 bathroom, which means there's a shower in here, double vanity. The shower here, nice walk-in closet with soft close drawers, lots of storage space here. This condo is 1,638 finished square feet. Beautiful vaulted ceiling here. Floor to ceiling stone wall with our fireplace that has, it's electric. The stones and flames change colors. And this deck has a spectacular view. So right now it's 5:30 p.m. We're looking west right here. And this is a nice sized deck. So we've got a couch, love seat, 2 chairs, the grill, ottomans there. And this overlooks the swimming pool as well as the lake. Completely unobstructed view. Beautiful. And again, this top floor unit, it really makes a difference on these to have that vaulted ceiling, all that extra natural light and glass. Again, this is unit 403 in the Bayside Bridge building at Bridges Bay.